Fix Spacebar not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Restart the PC. When faced with a problem on your PC, there are numerous approaches to address it, but the fastest and simplest solution is to reboot your computer. By performing a straightforward restart, you can clear your system's memory and refresh all its processes, effectively resolving various unexpected issues, including keyboard malfunctions. If that didn't work. Method 2. Update or reinstall the keyboard driver. Method 3. Run the keyboard troubleshooter. If that didn't work. Method 4. Install Windows updates. Method 5. Run a malware scan. It is possible that a malware infection may be the cause of the spacebar not working in Windows. It is important to run a comprehensive security scan to rule out this possibility and ensure that the computer is not infected. This can help to prevent further issues with the Windows operating system and ensure that it is functioning properly. Method 6. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems. Select the one you want, ideally before the issue started occurring, and go ahead with the process.